Hey guys, so today's wig is from Wiggins hair. I love the packaging. I'm a fan of orange color. Anything that is orange, I'm in for it. So let's see what's in the box. So we have the wig. So the cap size is an invisible lace 24 inches. I picked a small size. You can pick either medium or large depending on what you want. The melting band. A wig cap. So this is a HD wig cap. We have a 3D eyelashes. This wig is a 24 inches ready to glow body wig. It's a 7x4 lace closure wig. It is pre-bleached and pre-plucked. Just look at the bounce on this wig. It feels so soft. And I love the fact that this is straight out of the box and you can see how laid back the front of the wig is. So I don't need to do too much already because everything is just laid back as it should be. So guys, this wig also comes with an adjustable strap. Oh my god, I cannot believe this. Like, see the way it just sits on my head perfectly. Wow. Where is the lace? This looks so good, to be honest. The 7x4 closure lace. So it starts from here all the way, which is pretty close to my ear point. I absolutely love this. So I'm just going to use my comb to brush it out and maybe use my hot comb to adjust it to the style I want. But you don't need to do anything. This is like the easiest wig install I've ever had. Just throw it on and you're good to go. So just because the lace is a little bit lighter than my skin, I'm going to use my foundation to just darken it up a bit. So you can see the difference between here and here because I've added my foundation, so it blends perfectly with my skin tone. I'm just going to use the melting band for a few minutes. You don't need to do this method because, to be honest, this wig is really a wear and go wig. It was so easy for me to just put on and I don't have to do a whole lot. I just want to use the band just so it blends well, the foundation blends well with the lace, and you know, it comes out looking exactly like my skin, like it's growing from my scalp. So let's just comb out the curls. So I'm going to use a white tooth comb. I don't want to use a brush because I like how the curls are quite bouncy. Can you see that? Can you see that? Oh my god. Basically all I had to do was just throw this on, add my foundation, and I'm good to go. This hair is from Wiggins Hair. It's a 24 inches ready to go glueless wig, 7x4 lace closure, and I absolutely love it. I'm going to add my discount code to the description box, so you get a discount when you shop any wig from Wiggins Hair. But you guys, tell me, what do you think? What do you think? So you guys, I am done with the install. Like, it took less than 5 minutes, and because of the adjustable strap inside, the wig feels so secure. I don't need to add any other, like wig cap hold or anything like that. Because of the adjustable strap, it just stays where it's supposed to stay. So tell me what you guys think. Do you like this?